I'm Rainbow. Good morning. Ooh, you're on top of the cage already. And Mango's still in the cage. Hi, Mango. Oh, Rainbow's outside. I think Rainbow wants to come in. Did Rainbow want to eat? Well, you can't eat from the outside, silly bird. You gotta go inside. Let's see what he's doing. What are you doing? You gotta go inside. There you go. Okay. So, this is Rainbow right here on the right. He is pretty colorful, right? With the dark yellow face, green towards the middle, and then sky blue towards the bottom. And he's 3 years old. On the left here, we have Mango. He's 9 years old. Yeah, you are the leader of the pack here. Mango's 9 years old, and they eat pretty well. So I've been having birds for a long time now, on and off, and I've always had budgies. I was wondering, for the viewers out there, what was your, or who was your inspiration? How did you get started with birds? I started when my dad brought home a budgie. Yeah, it was one of those traditional yellow and green normal budgies, and they all call it parakeets here in the United States. So that was my first budgie, and my dad bought it from Woolworths. Yep, and that's how it all started. Wow, what are you going to do today, Mango? Did you want to come out and play? I think your toys are waiting for you to come out. This is your favorite toy right here. This is Chickadee. Did you want to come out and play? See, he knows. Very good, Mango. So what inspired you to have birds if you're a bird owner? Or what sparked your interest? Please comment below. Thanks for watching. And Mango sends his love. Right, Mango? Thanks for watching. Bye.